Hello gamers! In today's video, let's see if you're encountering the missing Vulkan error while playing Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. There are several steps you can take to resolve it. First, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date by visiting the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel websites depending on your GPU. Next, install the latest Vulkan runtime libraries from the Vulkan developer site, as this may resolve any missing components. Verifying the integrity of game files through your game launcher, like Steam or Epic Games, can also help fix corrupted files. Additionally, check that your hardware meets the minimum system requirements for Vulkan support, as older GPS may not be compatible. If available, consider switching to DirectX mode in the game settings if your system struggles with Vulkan. Keeping your operating system updated is crucial too, as outdated systems may lack necessary support for Vulkan. Finally, if all else fails, uninstalling and reinstalling the game can ensure that all components are properly initialized. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the missing Vulkan error and enjoy your gaming experience without further interruptions. Hope you got value from this.